In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send signed documents in Pandadoc. Once a document has been sent and signed, there are times when you need to deliver a copy quickly to someone else, such as a colleague, a client, or your own records. Pandadoc makes this easy by letting you share a secure link to the document, so the recipient can view it without you having to download and attach files. To begin, sign in to Pandadoc and locate the document you want to share. Make sure you open the document that has already been sent. This matters because the sharing option we are using is accessed directly from the sent document view. When the document opens, look to the top right corner of the screen for the Invite button. This button is used for sharing access to the document. Go ahead and click Invite. A small menu will appear with different ways to share. From that drop-down, select the option that says Share via Link. This option generates a shareable link that you can send to others. It is a simple way to provide access, especially when you want to share the signed document quickly. After you click Share via Link, Pandadoc will display a link on your screen. Take a moment to confirm you are sharing the correct document, since the link will point directly to what is currently open. Then copy the link provided. In most cases, you can use the copy option next to the link, or highlight the link and copy it manually. Once the link is copied, you can share it anywhere you normally communicate. For example, you can paste it into an email message, a chat tool, or a project management comment, depending on where your recipient will see it fastest. It is also a good habit to send a short note with the link, so the recipient knows they are opening the final signed version of the document. After you send the link, you are done. The recipient can use that link to access the document you shared. And that is all there is to it.